been intense for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, from our end as coaches, we just got to get it right. If you get the selection right, and then it's a bit of pressure as well. So to get it right, it's Olympics, and everyone looking forward to it. So you just got to get the selection right, and if you get that right, you feel it's right, then it's something you got to look forward to come the Olympics.
For you, how special is this for you now, knowing that this will be your first Olympic Games when you're head coach?
Well, who would have thought? Playing rugby, professional rugby in New Zealand. Never in my wildest dreams, to see rugby in the Olympics, but here we are. And it's a big honor, and a privilege if we get there, and everyone looking forward to it. Everyone's excited, and I guess the whole nation is excited about it, and especially with the men's team, they've got the high chance of getting a medal. So everyone's looking forward to it. Shit.